Ready? Let's start. Read this one slowly.
It is sunny.
It is sunny. Very good. 2 boxes for Aliah. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
Jane and
G.
Harry.
Mm-hmm.
Jane and Harry uh at the beach with mommy and daddy.
Very good. Jean and Harry are at the beach with mommy and daddy. That is Okay, write the rocket. Next one. Read this one.
Jane likes the cold sea breeze.
Very good. Jean likes the cool sea breeze. Another 2 boxes. Can you read this?
Harry likes the deep green sea.
Harry likes the deep green sea. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Mommy likes the shady fair
Fur.
trees and daddy likes shady
Fir trees.
trees and daddy likes to hunt for fish.
Okay, mommy likes the shady fir trees and daddy likes to see gulls scream for fish. Another 2 boxes. Can you read this one?
Pop on Jean.
Come on, Jean. Very good. Another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Can you read this?
Let me
Let.
teach you how. Let me teach you how to swim in the sea.
Very good. Let me teach you how to swim in the sea. Another 2 boxes. Can you read this?
See how easy it is.
Very good. See how easy it is. Write the rocket. Next, read this one.
Jane is happy. Harry will teach her to swim.
Very good. Jean is happy Harry will teach her to swim. You've reached the star. Good job.